Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into a game changer for workplace safety, which is SiteDocs, the digital safety management software that's helping teams stay compliant, connected, and in control. From digital forms and real-time reporting to compliance tracking and crew communication, we will show you how SiteDocs can streamline your safety processes like a pro. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you should do, visit the official website, which is going to be SiteDocs.com. On the top corner, you can log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, this is the perfect opportunity for you to book a demo. Click this button, provide all the information needed, and then click the submit button. But if you don't want to provide any information, or maybe you're not comfortable providing any details online, don't worry, we got you. Click the SiteDocs so you'll be reverted back to the main homepage. Because for one, we can learn a lot from SiteDocs by just going to the top corner. You see that there's going to be a lot of sections for us to explore, like the product, general contractors, resources, about section. So we're going to deal with the products first. Now let's talk about the digital forms. Okay, so basically this is helpful to digitally fill out safety forms like checklists, inspections, helping you monitor compliance and see real-time updates on which forms are done, in progress, or overdue. Now, if you go to the contractor management, this lets you track and manage third-party contractors working on your site, making sure every contractor is compliant and has completed safety requirements and follows site rules. Now, there's going to be an option for the incident management, which is used to report and track incidents, including near misses and accidents, streamlining the whole process from reporting to investigation, helping improve response and for prevention. Now, there's a helpful section here that says corrective actions. It will allow you to quickly assign and track fixes when something goes wrong, helping you spot non-compliance and take action before issues became serious. And of course, there's going to be the hazard management, enabling your team to identify and manage hazards on site, ensuring hazards are documented, assessed, and controlled to reduce risk. Of course, there's going to be the safety monitor, a dashboard that gives you a real-time overview of safety activity. It lets you track forms, inspections, and compliance at a glance. Now, we go to the equipment management. This section helps you track equipment and vehicle inspections, ensures your gear is safe, maintained, and ready for use at all times. And of course, let's not forget the worker orientation because it manages onboarding for workers, including safety training and site orientation. It tracks who's completed what, so you can instantly check if a worker is certified to be on site. Now, for the certification management, it's going to be a centralized spot to store and track worker certifications and training. It helps make sure everyone is up to date and can easily update or verify credentials. Now, there's the inspection management. It's used to plan and complete site inspections like safety walks, equipment checks, making sure you stay compliant and thorough in your safety checks. Now, let's go to the automations and integrations. For one, it lets you connect to SiteDocs to other systems. All right. For example, if you wanted like an email or a project management, it automates routine tasks and keeps data flowing between platforms. And then the last is going to be the analytics and reporting. It turns all your data into visual reports and dashboards, helping you spot trends, measure performance, and make informed safety decisions. Now, if you go to the general contractors, you can have a paperless, reducing your admin burden by mitigating risk and making safety management easy. All right. It's a one-stop shop for any contractor compliance. All I have to do is book a demo, or if you're interested, you might want to click the watch a video here. But I'm going to skip that. Instead, I'm going to focus on the resources, because we can learn a lot from the resources by just going to the blog, which are interactive articles you can read. You can take your time, few minutes of your time. For example, if you wanted to read about the top safety violation fines and how to prevent them, click this article right here. You will be forwarded for a few minutes read. Not gonna take too much of your time, but it's very essential and insightful to know more about SiteDocs and how it can help you with your business needs. Of course, let's not forget the CORT. This is an easier way for you to achieve and maintain COR certification. So if you're interested to know about the COR, right, it's going to be a certificate of recognition program. It's an occupational health and safety accreditation program that verifies a fully implemented safety and health program which meets national standards. Again, the objectives of CORE are to provide industry employers, for example, your business, with an effective safety and health management system to reduce incidents, accidents, and injuries, as well as their associated human and financial costs. So CORE is now frequently used as a pre-qualifying and/or condition of contract with public and private project owners across Canada. All right. Now, if you wanted to be a part of the SiteDocs, you might want to click the partner program to become an elite partner. You can spend less time on paperwork and more time on strategic safety initiatives by clicking these information below. Provide and click the submit button, and one of the sales staff will contact you regarding if you have been part of SiteDocs as an elite partner. All right. If you wanted to know about the brand guidelines, you might want to check it here. These are some of the assets that you can. Of course, it requires permission, but the thing is, it's free. All right. So if you wanted to know more about the announcements and if you wanted to join some webinar, you might want to check the about and some announcements here in SiteDocs. But overall, as you can see, that SiteDocs is a cloud-based safety management software designed to help construction companies and other job site-based industries manage workplace safety and compliance digitally. You have two sections at the office wherein you can easily track and monitor compliance, automate reminders for certifications, and scheduled forms to automatically repeat. And on the job site, you have the worker to-do lists, easy to use and easy to adopt, and offline access. All right, and that wraps up our dive into SiteDocs, the safety management software that's making job sites safer, smarter, and way more efficient. If this video helped you understand how to use SiteDocs to streamline your safety processes, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more tech tutorials just like this one. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. We always love hearing from you. And of course, we are here to help. So, if you're ready to turn your paperwork headaches into digital wins, SiteDocs might just be your new best friend. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.